Hello, everybody. Welcome to Excel with Chad. Today, we are going to go through Introduction to Count. As you can see here, I have a table of potential sales in terms of quantity. I have a column for stores. I have items and what are the categories of these items. And then I have the quantities sold. So the first thing that we are going to go through here today will be count cells. So the first thing we will go through today is the concept of count A. So as you enter count A into this formula, what you will see is I can actually count the number of completed cells. In this case, there are 16 completed cells. Now, I can also perform another function by the name of count blank. So from here, what I would do is I will have this particular situation. And as you can see, there are no blank cells over here. However, when I actually remove one of the cells, you can see that the count A function has already reduced to 15, and now blank is actually 1. From here, what I can do is I can perform also a unique function. So what unique does is it is going to look for how many unique entries are there over here. Something to take note of is that you need to be extremely careful. Say, for example, if one of the records has a space bar, you will see that there are 2 records of Thailand. You need to check that there's no trailing spaces. The next concept that we are going to go through is the concept of COUNTIF. So in this case, if I can see how things work, I would perform COUNTIF. As I enter the parentheses, it is looking for an argument for range. So the range here refers to the range of which I will be counting. So this would be the range that I am counting. And the criteria will be what I will be looking for to count. So in this case, the answer is Thailand. From here, I will be able to conclude that I have 8 records of Thailand. From this, I would be able to conclude that there are also 8 records of Malaysia. Other than that, I can also perform another function, multi-conditional count, which is denoted by COUNTIFs. Say, for example, I have another situation like this, and I have 2 categories. In this case, I have fruits and vegetables. So when I perform the COUNTIF, I have criteria range number 1, which is the criteria of which I'm going to be counting. And I can actually do this. And then I can actually insert a second criteria for the count. So in this case, I will actually do this. So as I close the parentheses, you can see that there are 4 records of fruits and Thailand. As I repeat this process, I will be able to see this. So in total, you will be able to see that there are a total of 16 records still. So if I have to sum, there are 10 records of fruits and 10 records of vegetables. So that would be COUNTIF. So in total, today we have covered count A, we have covered count blank, we have covered COUNTIF, and last but not least, we have covered COUNTIFs. What do you think of what we have learned today? Will it help you personally or professionally? If you like what you have seen, please like, subscribe, and share this video to someone who might benefit from this video. Bye bye.